Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start now by confirming the essentials: Game Pass Ultimate, space available, and the beta enrollment. Sign into your Xbox account and opt into the beta through Xbox Insider or the game's beta page. Once done, make sure your console or PC has the latest OS and the Xbox app is updated so the beta package appears. You should also enable automatic updates to avoid missing patches. This prevents version mismatches and ensures you can download the correct build immediately after enrollment. You now download and install the beta build. Open My Games and Apps or the Xbox app, find the beta entry, and choose Install to your console or PC drive. Use an SSD for best loading and set power to high performance so background throttling doesn't interrupt files. Once downloading, pause other large downloads and watch the queue. This reduces errors. After install, verify integrity through the app or reinstall if files show corruption. Doing this minimizes crashes and gives consistent performance during testing. You're ready to launch the beta and finish setup. Start the game, sign in, and allow any required profile sync or controller calibration. Make sure your network is optimal. Prefer wired Ethernet or 5 GHz Wi-Fi and confirm NAT type is open. This reduces matchmaking problems. If you encounter crashes or missing content, clear cache on console/PC, reinstall the beta, and collect logs to submit via Xbox Insider or in-game feedback. That single troubleshooting step,
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.